important from the point of view of qualifying for finals.
Mohammad Hafiz, last game, batted terrifically well. He's in fine form, striking the ball superbly. Tamim Iqbal will partner him. 50 in the first, man of the match in the second. So both openers hitting the ball well. First 6 overs, we might be in for lots of excitement.
It's going to be interesting to see how both teams approach the new ball. The average score is around about that 45 region in the first 6 overs, but given the way we've seen the wickets play so far in this tournament, early runs when the ball is hard may well be vital. So the experience of it's not Umar Gul bowling.
Anwar Ali to start off proceedings and just get the ball to nip away from the left-hander Tamim Iqbal, who will be taking strike. But both batsmen are in form, so expect some fireworks. Here we go, match 7 underway. Couple of runs down the leg side, a little bit of inside edge, but it helps when you're going into a T20 format, T20 game, and both batsmen have runs under the belt, and they batted beautifully in the last game.
Well, they're both very, very good players, and there's a lot of top quality players in both of these teams, and they'll be all looking to put in a very, very good performance here this evening.
There you go, comes down the track, swing and a miss. Few words exchanged. Quite a few.
A little bit of friendly fire. It just goes to show you how much this means to the players. They're desperate for not only team performance, but individual performance. All said with a smile.
Yeah, a couple of smiles, but a little bit of zip off the wicket for Anwar Ali that time. Bounce and carry. We haven't seen that in this tournament so far, but Anwar Ali extracting some bounce. Yeah, cuts and gets it through. Doesn't reach the fence though. You can see that Tamim Iqbal is in form, bisecting that gap perfectly.
Well, that's his area, and there is a strong square of the wicket contingent, but he manages still to split the field. Didn't quite get the timing he would have liked. He cannot afford to give Tamim Iqbal any width at all, whether it's front or back foot.
Nice. Just to fill you in, Tom, Quetta Gladiators have surprised us all. They weren't one of the top billing teams, but the way they've played in their first 2 games has been magnificent. And right now, they're now from a dark horse. They've become one of the top favorites. And Ahmed Shahzad, instrumental in that last game again.
Well, they've got some quality players there. Shahzad, obviously, Peterson and Luke Wright's had a terrific start, hasn't he, to the tournament. He had a good big bash too for Melbourne Stars. So they've got some dangerous match winners.
First 6 overs very, very important. And these two, they stay in there for maybe 10 overs. They can do a lot of damage, and Zalmay have a fantastic bowling lineup. So these initial bursts, very, very important.
Yeah, from a fielding perspective, every team is looking to take wickets in the first 6 overs because it really does affect the team's ability to post a competitive score. So teams are trying to take 2, if not 3 wickets in the first 6 overs.
Goes aerial, high, and just gets away with it. Tried to lift that over cover outside half of the bat. Gets away with one Hafiz straight away. 7 without loss after 1.
Telenor 3G mobiles 50% डिस्काउंट ऑफर. अब किसी भी Telenor 3G मोबाइल की खरीदारी पर दूसरा मोबाइल हासिल करें 50% डिस्काउंट पे.
ये सुनहरी किरणें हैं सुनहरी बैंक की. चाहे आप रिटेल बैंकिंग कस्टमर हों या इस्लामिक बैंकिंग कस्टमर, अपनी 240 से ज्यादा ब्रांचेस के साथ सुनहरी बैंक सूरज की तरह रखता है आपका यकसा ख्याल. सुनहरी बैंक, रोशन हर कदम.
घर पैसे मोबी कैश करने में बड़ा सुकून मिलता है और साथ ही साथ मोबिलिंग से मिलता है बहुत कुछ, यानी ढेरों फ्री मिनट्स, SMS और इंटरनेट भी.
मोबी कैश, जबान का पक्का.
आस्फकार ऑटो फाइनेंस, लो मार्कअप और डाउन पेमेंट, 1 से 7 साल की फाइनेंसिंग और सबसे बढ़कर तेज तरीन प्रोसेसिंग. अस्करी आस्फकार ऑटो फाइनेंस. स्टीयर योर ड्रीम्स.
नया पैक और लाल स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर में भी.
मुझे डिंग डोंग स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर बहुत पसंद. मुझे डिंग डोंग की मूवी बहुत अच्छी लगी. डिंग डोंग बबल का जायका बहुत अच्छा है. डिंग डोंग बबल.
PGCL मुफ्ती वो ऑफर. अब Evo Wingle बिल्कुल फ्री और अनलिमिटेड इंटरनेट सिर्फ 1500 का बैलेंस लोड करने पर. तो जल्दी करें.
Well, quite often teams in the first 6 overs, when there's a left-hander on strike, will opt to go with an off-spinner, a bowler that's turning the ball away from the left-handers. It tends to restrict them, and it also creates opportunities for wickets.
He's a clever bowler. Really making a mess of that, but just got stuck in the outfield a bit.
He's having a laugh about it. Didn't quite get the timing of the slide right. Maybe 3 years ago he may have pulled that one off. The off-spinner has got a slip here, so recognising there's an opportunity to take wickets with this new ball, the odd ball may just turn and grip and bounce.
And that one, the one that comes back in, skids back in, almost through. The only associate player in the HPL PSL, Afghan Muhammad Nabi, and he's done well in the PSL. He's been very clever. He's a canny off spinner. Against Karachi, he bowled really well. Didn't let them get after him.
Come on, boys!
Nice shot. Just made room. Caresses it through point. Maybe against Karachi. Followed the batsman that time. Didn't let him extend those arms. Got a stumping, and this one just rolled in with the arm. That was a fantastic delivery. There is a bit of spin on offer. Slower and a little bit of spin.
What makes him unique is just his subtle changes of pace, and that ball that you've touched on that goes straight on with the arm. It looks like in the air that it's going to turn, but it just skids straight on.
Doesn't let Hafiz get away with one.
सुनहरी सुबह का सूरज दिखाता. गुप्त अंधेरों से पर्दा उठाता. अपनी 240 से ज्यादा ब्रांचेस के साथ सुनहरी बैंक, रोशन हर कदम.
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी. क्या बात है.
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करे रूह अफ़ज़ा.
तो और क्या चाहिए.
That's his region, just outside off stump, cuts and gets a boundary.
Always important to get that early boundary in and over, and just a little bit of width on offer, not a lot. Mark Gould down at third man, doing his very best to pull that in.
Can't give him any sort of width, and with the angle across, he'll use that. Advances down, doesn't get any of it. Tamim Iqbal has been in great form.
He just loves to use his feet, and also strong both sides of the wicket. A lot of the time you sort of recognise his greatest strength is through the offside, but he's shown that he's more than capable of hurting you on both sides of the wicket. And a very dangerous player for a number of years now.
Oh, the slow one, and that's gone, that's spun. Surprised Tamim.
This is an absolute beauty. An off-cutter, slower ball, ripping his fingers around that seam and getting it to grip into that wicket. So I think all the bowlers that are playing in this game would have seen that and recognised that the change of pace may well be the answer.
Goes again. And another good off spinner. Nabi would have been proud of that.
Well, the way he's bowling this, he shouldn't bowl anything else except for running into bowling fast off-cutters, because this is so difficult for the left-hander to hit with a ball just holding in the wicket and turning away from the outside edge. He's got a serious set of eyes there, hasn't he?
Width, and Tamim would think that he's missed out. That's his area, that's his zone. Loves it through there. But again, just a bit of pace offered and he's onto it.
I wonder whether he's considered bowling around the wicket and bowling with the angle coming into the left-handed batsman. As soon as you go across Iqbal, he just eyes lights up and he throws that bat at it.
This is interesting. Third man comes up, the point goes back, so I think the off-cutter will be on show again. Loud appeal, and Tamim just ball watching. Maybe a direct hit and he might have been run out. But
मोबिलिन के करोड़ों दिलों के सिकंदर, लाहौर कलंदर्स।
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी। क्या बात है।
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करे रूह अफ़ज़ा।
तो और क्या चाहिए?
Over.
good Yorker, just pitching outside. Zulfikar Baba, the left arm spinner, likes bowling with the new ball. He's particularly good against the right-hander. He's got a great straighter delivery, or the arm ball which sort of rolls into the right-hander. I think Tamim Iqbal will fancy his chances against the left arm or spinning into him.
It's always easier for the left-handed batsman to hit with the spin, so he'd be looking to go square of the wicket here. Single and well run. Yeah, the left-hander will always try to fetch him over mid-wicket or square leg when the fielding side's got the fielding restriction of only 2 out on the boundary. And Babar will be delighted that the right-handed Mohammad Hafiz is on strike.
And this will be a battle within a battle, because Mohammad Hafiz and Zulfikar Babar played a lot for Pakistan, and Hafiz really likes getting after the spinners from the onset, so this should be very interesting. There you go. A sweep shot brought out. Didn't get all of it. A little bit of missed field. Not good. Not good at all.
An apology, but it's all too late. That extra run can be potentially very, very costly when it comes to the pointy end of the game.
And turns it 2-leggy, really itching to get after Zulfikar Babar. But it is spinning slightly, so maybe not too bad. Batting first. cricketgateway.com. That's international viewers if you want to stream this HBL PSL. There's quite a few hesitations. Hafiz and Tamim Iqbal. Tamim was down for the count. He was that sweep shot, and Hafiz, he thought there was a single there.
I suppose that's one of the challenges when players haven't batted together that often. They don't really read each other's game or body language as well as what they do if they've been playing, plenty of cricket in the same team. So I think we'll find that as this tournament unfolds, the running between the wickets will only get better, because there'll be a better understanding between the various players in each team. Kevin Peterson just sharing his experience with a couple of potential changes in the field, and he's just brought the mid-wicket around to more of a square position. He's just come in behind square to protect that sweep shot.
Bowling tight lines, that leg stump line. It's not a bad over. 4 gone, 21 without loss.
टेलेनॉर टॉक शॉक हफ्तावार सहूलत ऑफर 7 दिन के लिए पाओ 70 मिनट्स दूसरे नेटवर्क्स पर 700 टेलेनॉर मिनट्स और 700 SMS सिर्फ 95 रुपए बमाटर। अभी *5*7# मिलाओ।
खाना बने एक्साइटिंग।
नया पैक और लाल स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर में भी।
Jazz back, क्योंकि बढ़ना है आगे।
Jazz Excite feature phones or Jazz Explore smartphones.
I've got my Jazz X. Go get yours.
Mobiling Jazz X.
Left arm spin, gets it to spin a little. Well, Hafiz has been trying to get after the spinners. No luck as yet.
Third spinner already been bowled, so it's going to be a trial by spin. By the looks of things, both teams have recognised that this wicket is just taking a little bit of turn, and that's excellent return so far. Leading wicket taker.
Yeah, joint leading wicket taker with Asghar, another left arm, so left arm spinners dominating, and you can see that with this wicket. Just holds up slightly, and the ball going away from the bat is difficult to hit. Comes down the track. There's a chance and accepted. Nawaz into the wicket straight away. Second ball and Nabi with the catch. Tamim Iqbal tried his hand at hitting that out of the ground, but he has to depart. Tamim gone for 14 is 22 for 1.
टूटी फ्रूटी क्रिस्टल्स के साथ सॉफ्ट और जूसी बूम बूम बबल गम। बूम बूम बबल गम मन को बुला दो।
बदलेगा एक पल में हर पल बदलेगा।
गिगली एक्लेयर्स कैरेमल के अंदर फाइनेस्ट प्रीमियम चॉकलेट लाइफ के बहुत से फ्लेवर्स में एक पल में बदले हर पल।
HBL का कोई भी कार्ड स्वाइप करें, अकाउंट खोलें या फिर लोन हासिल करें। Win a chance of a lifetime. Call 111-111-425 और log on to hbl.com. जहां ख्वाब वहां HBL।
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी। क्या बात है।
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करे रूह अफ़ज़ा।
तो और क्या चाहिए।
सुनहरी सुबह का सूरज दिखाता, गुप्त अंधेरों से पर्दा उठाता, अपनी 240 से जायद ब्रांचेस के साथ सुनहरी बैंक, रोशन हर कदम।
Get hold of him. Interesting. Yeah, goes over cover, doesn't get all of it. But Hafiz is not holding back. He's not got a lot of runs to show for it, but he's played a few shots.
Well, the first wicket to fall, there's a good bit of bowling, but equally good bit of captaincy with the field placements. Man positioned out there at deep mid-wicket.
Lots of experience this PSL brings to the party. And here we are with a little bit of experience. Peterson talking about field placings, where he should be. And once that plan works, it's all good. Goes for the sweep and doesn't get any fit. So Hafiz, he has to depart as well. 2 wickets in the over. Both openers gone. Nawaz on a roll yet again. KP ecstatic and Peshawar struggling. 24 for 2 as the Hafiz miscues a sweep shot out for 10. 4.5 overs gone. 24 for 2.
टूटी फ्रूटी क्रिस्टल्स के साथ सॉफ्ट और जूसी बूम बूम बबल गम। बूम बूम बबल गम मन को बुला दो।
बदलेगा एक पल में हर पल बदलेगा।
गिगली एक्लेयर्स कैरेमल के अंदर फाइनेस्ट प्रीमियम चॉकलेट लाइफ के बहुत से फ्लेवर्स में एक पल में बदले हर पल।
HBL का कोई भी कार्ड स्वाइप करें, अकाउंट खोलें या फिर लोन हासिल करें। Win a chance of a lifetime. Call 111-111-425 और log on to hbl.com. जहां ख्वाब वहां HBL।
मोबिलिन के करोड़ों दिलों के सिकंदर, लाहौर कलंदर।
ये सुनहरी किरणें हैं सुनहरी बैंक की। चाहे आप रिटेल बैंकिंग कस्टमर हों या इस्लामिक बैंकिंग कस्टमर, अपनी 240 से जायद ब्रांचेस के साथ सुनहरी बैंक सूरज की तरह रखता है आपका यकसा ख्याल। सुनहरी बैंक, रोशन हर कदम.
Certainly a run-scoring option, but hit high on the bat, well away from the meat of the bat.
A fantastic over, just 3 runs off and 2 wickets. So after 5, it's 24 for 2.
Ask for car auto finance. Low markup for down payment, 1 से 7 साल की फाइनेंसिंग और सबसे बढ़कर तेज तरीन प्रोसेसिंग. Askari Ask for car auto finance. Steer your dreams.
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी. क्या बात है.
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करे रूह अफ़ज़ा.
तो और क्या चाहिए.
अब नया पैक और लाल स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर में भी.
BTCL मुफ्ती वो ऑफर. अब ईवो विंगल बिल्कुल फ्री और अनलिमिटेड इंटरनेट. सिर्फ 1500 का बैलेंस लोड करने पर. तो जल्दी करें. BTCL. खाना बने एक्साइटिंग.
अब नया पैक और लाल स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर में भी.
24 for 2, Zalmi. Umar Gul can be so good. So Sir Vivian feels that it is a tragedy, and he absolutely detests when the umpire calls one bouncer for the over. He says, where's the balance between bat and ball? And he says that, a batsman should be tested with that shorter length. And then he said, in our era, we used to get 6 and over at times, 6 bounces and over, Wilco. We were to get 20 odd at Guyana in 1988, 24 to win. First 6 balls to me from Patrick Patterson, 6 bounces. First 6 balls to Mudassar Nazar from Malcolm Marshall, 6 bounces. So we had faced 12 balls, nothing pitched up. Incredible stuff, and how the game has changed. Well, he obviously doesn't like it, that part of the game.
Well, mainly because he could deal with it. You bowled it short to him, you were going into another postcode area to go and fetch the ball. But he was the master.
Master blaster, absolute
the
phenomena.
You know what's Viv Richards saying now after that bouncer? Let's have another one. Never batted with a helmet, ever. Never batted with a helmet. Good pace here from Umar Gul, but ill-directed.
Yeah, I think Imran asked him to come over and be part of our dressing room during the 92 World Cup, a game that we were playing against Australia. It was an all-important game, and Viv came in and spoke for 5 minutes. And, that just pushed us into that game, and we won it in the end. But he was so passionate and so good with that speech. It was just unbelievable. And while we have all the stars playing in this HPL PSL, I still feel that Viv's the best buy.
He is so fit. I'm telling you, he could easily be in there batting at 4, 3 or 4.
Absolutely. Oh, spanking cut shot, and that's well fielded at point. That's more like it. Kamran Akmal is on 1. His partner is on 1. That was a sure 4.
Luke Wright saved 4 runs here. That was hammered. Ooh, gosh, that's when your fingers heard after that. Come on, Umar, say well done. Yeah, there we are. Thank your fielders. That's when you start wringing your hands.
You become a powerhouse, and I'm talking from a fielding perspective, if loose deliveries are saved by your fielders. It just gives you that little oomph, lift, confidence, self-belief that the loose balls will be defended by the fielders. Now he's a good one, Ahmed Shahzad. Chikanbura is a good all-round cricketer. We have not seen him bowl, but he can bowl. Then we've got Nawaz, who's been the star, a rookie.